Here I have ULEFONE Armor 185G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So firstly you should turn it off by holding down power key, and after device turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume down for a couple of seconds like this. Then you can release power key and keep holding just volume down. And after that you will end up in this factory mode. So here at factory you can use volume down to navigate and power key to select. Volume up is just inactive here. So you have such options as auto test, manual test, item test, test report, debug test, version and reboot. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot and device will be restarted, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.